All right, so you say it. End of chemo bell. Ring this bell 3 times well. It's told as clearly say, my treatment's done, this course is run, and I'm on my way.
All right, you want to give it a big ring?
Yeah, 3 times.
Ring. Yeah, Eloise!
Wow! I've got a couple things for you. In the bubbles. Are you ready? I've got a medal for you. Oh, nice. Good. So now flip it around. There we go. There we go. Oops.
We're so proud of you.
So proud of you.
You tell them thank you.
Congratulations.
Can I get Dr. Weinstein a hug?
Yeah, can I get a hug? Come on, famous hug.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, congrats, honey.
And then I need an extra hug to send to Jenny.
Yes.
You get the
Should we get an
one
extra
too?
one?
All right,
That's so
thanks.
nice.